Wait for a few more people to get online and we'll start what's coming. Okay, good afternoon. It's been a horrible afternoon already between Little Rock. I gave you a quick update earlier. I filmed the tornado leveling the northwest side of Winnie, northwest over here in eastern Arkansas. Major damage, lots of destruction. Helped dig people out of the rubble for about 30 minutes with the state troopers there, and just a massive response. Police, fire, ambulances coming in there. I understand the high school got hit. I don't know if there were people at the high school or not, but I will tell you there were people that were in the rubble. Homes are level on the northwest side of Wind. That was about an hour ago. That tornadic storm went racing off to the north. It's all the way over here to the northeast. This next thing I'm worried about now, let's go with this extremely violent tornado. This is Doppler radar indicated from the National Weather Service, Memphis. This is a large destructive tornado in progress, and this is going to do massive damage. Tornado warning at 6:32. The National Weather Service, Lee County, eastern Arkansas, southeastern St. Francis County, eastern Arkansas, northern Phillips County, eastern Arkansas, southwestern Crichton County, and eastern Arkansas, and northern Tunica County, northwest Mississippi. Thunderstorm producing a tornado is located near Holly Grove or 10 miles southeast of Clarendon, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard tornado source radar indicated. I can tell you based on radar now out of Memphis, this is a large destructive tornado in progress. Tornadoes just southeast to Holly Grove. This is going to be tracking toward Ron Grove, and let's look at the debris bowl. Should have a big pretty. There's debris. So the damaging tornado. This tornado is getting worse. So let me explain what's going on. As these tornadic storms come east, the situation is it's very warm. It's 80 degrees where I'm located here, and that's going to be over here on the Mississippi side of the border in northwest. So the low level jet is very strong over here. The winds are very strong out of the south here, 40 to 50 miles an hour. Surface winds are also backed out of the southeast. It's 80 degrees ahead of this storm. So as this storm comes into this 80 degree air and the south wind and low level jet of 40 to 50 knots, it's going to continue to produce an extremely destructive violent tornado. And this, you're going to see this storm here. I can tell you right now, I've got a very damaging tornado in progress now. Large destructive tornado in progress. This is a catastrophic tornado. This is going to get upgraded to tornado warning, if not tornado emergency. Tornado damaging tornadoes in progress now, just southeast of Holly Grove, southwest and west of Maryville. Rondo, you're in the direct path. Lexington, you're in the direct path. This tornado is going to now come up to very close to Tunica, north side of Tunica, the casino, crossing the Mississippi rivers right here. Okay, so this tornado is going to cross near Tunica, and then I'm up here near Horondo. It's going to cross just near Tunica, and then Horondo. If it turns to the left, it'll come up to South Haven, just south of Memphis. This is the heart of Memphis. This is very heavily populated areas. I just talked to the South Haven Police Department, told them to prepare for a massive tornado at about 7:15 crossing I-55. So between Hernando and South Haven, you need to prepare for a massive tornado. This is a large destructive tornado in progress now, approaching the Mississippi River southwest of Memphis, and it got a debris ball as well as an extremely violent tornado. Guys, this is about as violent as it gets. I mean, this is very, very serious now, as we've had all day. 136 miles an hour. It's probably an F4, maybe an F5. The winds are through the roof now, 140 miles an hour. This is an F4, probably at least F4 tornado in progress. This is a very large destructive tornado. It's doing massive damage back southwest. Look at the donut hole. This is a very violent tornado, and it's going to be running toward Tunica. I'm going to head southwest. I'm going to go ahead and head southwest down toward Tunica and watch it come across the Mississippi. We may see a large violent tornado coming across the Mississippi. So I'm going to track west here, and I'm going to get down here southwest, but I just want to let you know, if you're on the eastern Arkansas side, if you're in Memphis, if you got friends and family south side of Memphis, especially in the Hernando area, South Haven area, if you look at the map here, look where the tornado track is, Hernando, South Haven. If you go down line, it's going to be near and northwest of Holly Springs, Moscow, Tennessee, Collierville, Tennessee, northwest Mississippi here, right? If you're in this area, I-55 corridor, you got family and friends here, prepare for a destructive tornado. As this large damaging tornado is going to be coming across the Mississippi, coming across I-55, extreme northwest Mississippi. This is now a large destructive tornado in progress now. Weather Service will It's definitely doing massive damage back southwest. Rondo's in the path. And by the way, as I'm going to the west now, winds are out of the south at least 40, if not gusting to 50 out of the southeast, and I'm 80 degrees, 79 degrees, 79 to 80, and with this massive inflow going in here. And as soon as this tornado approaches the Mississippi River, it's going to produce an extremely destructive tornado. I expect mass damage if this tornado continues, which there's no indication it's going to weaken, right? So this tornadic storm is going to cross the Mississippi in about 30 minutes now, roughly. Let's look at the track here. So let me do a storm track here on this storm. It's again moving northeast. It also says it's got baseball-sized hail with the storm. The storm's not only got big hail, excuse me, but it's also got a very strong, damaging tornado. So it shows nearly baseball-sized hail moving east-northeast at 51 knots. It's going to cross the Mississippi at about 7:04. I'm gonna call it 7:04. And cross. Continue to track northeast violently fast, and if I look west here, that's the tornadic storm in Arkansas coming my way, right? That's the Anvil, that's the storm over there. So it's going to cross the Mississippi at 7:04, 7:05. The large destructive tornado is going to cross the Mississippi, and then that tornadoes approaching Hernando and the I-55 corridor at approximately 7:35 to 7:40. A large destructive tornado will be crossing I-55 south of Memphis, and you want to go to immediately as this tornado not only on the ground